I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel.
Mr. Patty. Mr. Patty,
Okay guys, so now we are going to do the unboxing from our birthday. These are gifts that I received from friends. They're actually much, but I'm gonna put them here one by one. So yeah, I want you guys to unbox with me and see what my friends got for me. So this is the first package. It's from my brother, Masilo. Gel. Why am I seeing a gel? Who put my gel here? Okay, so my brother got me this beautiful slippers. These are very nice, from Woolworth. So you guys can see, these are very nice and very strong. I love. It's nice. Okay, second one is this beautiful package. I don't know it's from who. And pardon me that you're not seeing my face, guys. I'm not set for the camera, but I want to do this with you. It says, I wish you a very blessed day and many more prosperous years to come, from Pretty. Huh? I don't know who's Pretty, but it says from Pretty. So there's a small letter here. I mean a small note. Oh, okay. This person got me glasses, guys. Look at this. This is so cute. Wow. Okay. Wow. This is nice. I don't know who got me this. It says from Pretty. This is beautiful. I love. Thank you from Pretty. I think I know the person, but I'm not sure. Then the next one is this huge package. This is from Dear Pretty. It says, Dear Pretty, we wish you a very blessed day and many more years, from Tulu and Lebo. So this is from Tulu and Lebo. This is so beautiful. Oh, I think the glasses comes from Tulu's mother, because her name is Pretty. So here Lebo and Tulu got me this beautiful mirror for the wall. This is nice, guys. This is very beautiful. You can see the ring light. This is so nice. Thank you, Tulu. He show you? Oh, okay. I should start with this.
Oh, where you take it out?
Okay, guys. So from Tulu and Lebo, they got me this beautiful mirror. This is it. It's so nice. I'm taking it to my bedroom. This is so beautiful. This is lovely. And okay, from the same package, they got me. Ooh, this is so nice. This is cute, guys. I think we're gonna use this for the background, for our YouTube background. This is so beautiful. Thank you so much, guys. This is so nice. I really love it. Then okay, so inside this, my sister put her own gift. So this is another small package. This comes from my sister. My little sister Delight got me this. I already know because she was looking for it yesterday and she said it's somewhere. So I know this comes from Delight. So let's open and see what's inside. Okay. Oh. See guys, these are earrings. I can't really see it. These are earrings, set of earrings. Like these are it's for my video, baby. So this is what Delight got me, guys. She got me this set of earrings, but I don't understand why this one is one. One is missing here. So these are set of earrings. Maybe it's inside the plastic, yeah. These are very cute, guys. Thank you, D. Oh, okay. This is the other one that is missing. I love, and I think this will be my favorite. This is so beautiful. This is super beautiful. And then this is nice. And she got me this neck piece. It also goes with earrings also. This is nice, guys. I hope you guys can see it, but this is beautiful. This is very beautiful. Thank you, D. Thank you, my baby. Thank you. Next one, guys. This gift is too much. Next one is this one. I don't know this one comes from. There is no message in it. There is no note. Oh, this comes from my friend. This comes from my friend Chichi. This comes from my friend Chichi. So this is a t-shirt dress type of vibe, but you guys I'm very thick, so this will serve as a t-shirt to me. I don't think this can be a dress. This is beautiful, the color and everything. It's giving. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, Chichi. Thank you. Another one. We're gonna end with the big one because there's another one that is huge. I also love this gift bag because it's so beautiful. Let's open and see what's inside. Okay. Ooh, it's a vase, guys. It's a vase. These people know that I'm a wife, huh? This is a vase or a vase. I don't know what you want to call it. It's a vase or a vase. I call it a vase anyway. So this is so beautiful. I love. I don't know who gifted me this one. There is no name, but I love it. This is a vase. Very beautiful. Next one. Oh, okay. This is our last gift. So this I think is from, I need to read because it actually came with a letter here. Okay. It says, "Pretty, I hope you love your present." So let's see what we got here. Aww, happy 30th birthday to you. Beautiful. Okay. Oh, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna read it out. It says, "Happy birthday to someone who is oh my god, I can't read. I can't read this. I can't even read this. The handwriting. Who is officially 30. Oh god. Okay, happy birthday to someone who is officially 30. Welcome to the dirty 30s. As As Drake will say, YOLO, you only live once. I love you to the moon and back, pretty. Keep being the blessings that you are to me. And it also says, congratulations on your 30th birthday. Blessing. This is from Tweenie. It's from a very good friend of mine, Tweenie. Blessing Munuki. It's Chichi's cousin. Thank you so much, Tweenie. Thank you. Even though I struggled reading your handwriting out. So he said to me, I got you something that has a 2-year warranty. It says he said I got you something that has 2-year warranty. So if you're not happy about it or you want to make changes or whatever, you can still take it back to the shop. So I don't know what it is. I'm about to find out. So let's open it together. Ooh. Can't even open it. I need a knife. Oh, okay. Okay. Being a wife or being so guys, Tweenie got me a kettle, a very beautiful one, 1.7 liter stainless steel kettle. Is the price for me, guys. You guys should focus on the price. For 500, even myself, I know I can't buy a kettle of 500. So he got me this. This is a beautiful one, and this is the biggest gift I received. I love it so much. Thank you guys for gifting me, and I really appreciate. So that was the last one. This was the last. Okay, let me open it for you guys to see. This is beautiful. You bought me which car? My brother said I should tell you guys that he bought me a car that I've not seen anyway. This is it, a stainless steel kettle. This will be for special occasions because it's very expensive. So yeah guys, that was it for my gift. So yeah, this is our kettle from Tweenie. It's very expensive guys, I love it. So this one, you don't just touch it anyhow. You make sure your hands are clean before you touch it. Because wow, so that's all from our gifts guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Oh yeah, end it. I've reviewed it.